Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Saranya Narayanamurthy here to talk about the mind business. So, in this session of podcast, we are going to talk about something which is very essential for us, and that is the art of manifestation. Okay, so we have often heard about law of attraction. While some of us are loyal followers of it, many of us still wonder, is it even applicable? Okay, so if you are such a person who has a huge chunk of doubt over the law of attraction, so here I am presenting you the art of manifestation. The art of manifestation, or if I put it out for you in other words, this is as simple as you get what you ask for. That's it. Whatever you think and whatever you believe, you achieve. No matter whether you're a religious person or an atheist, no matter whether you're very much confined with your beliefs or you are an open minded person, many a times you might have felt this. Oh my god, I know this would happen. I know this would happen. Now, this happened. Blame on me. Okay, so we often play this blame game and we throw up all our tantrums on ourselves. But guess what? Yes, we are so really connected with telepathy and the strong sense of vibes. Yes, you heard it right. As living beings, we are forever surrounded by vibrations around us. We live in an atmosphere where everything around us is transported in the form of waves, be it a Wi Fi signal, your voice, or even smell or light. Okay, so if you're taking it in a way of science, if so many things can travel through air, do you think your thoughts have a chance to escape? So now you might come up with this. No, it is not as recorded, Your thoughts are completely non volatile. Nobody even knows about it. Those are just different connections or things inside your mind. Exactly, those are definitely things inside your brain. But do you think they don't have a sense of vibration? Yes, you caught it right. Even your thoughts have this sense of vibration. And you know what? Every vibration gets transformed and transmitted. Oh my god, what? Okay, so are these your reactions? Hey, okay, so now I also have a good news for you. You can even turn them around for you. Make your vibes work for you. Yes, so just like how telepathy works and how the serious situation turn out the way you have feared of, there are also chances where the situation where you thought for good turns out for you. So, there are these receptors that you can use. For example, I was a person who used to get nervous a lot and I stammer a lot when it comes to public presentation. So instead of naming my emotions in a negative way, I gave them a positive label and turned them out super efficiently. So instead of saying I was anxious, I'm so nervous, I get super nervous when I get to the stage. So instead of saying these words to myself, which actually sent the negative signal to my brain, I told myself, wow, I am excited. I am super excited. I am definitely able to speak up. I will definitely be rocking the stage. I am excited. So first time it was a bit okay, I don't trust you 100%. Second time it was like okay, fine, I am gonna do it. And third time it was like yes, I will do it. And you know what? It really did help big time. So the same is what I'm prescribing to you too. Instead of letting your inner ego have a low self-esteem, boost it up. Give it a brighter outlook and a beautiful face. So now let us look out to the most powerful word when it comes to positive mindset. That is affirmation. Yes, the most powerful word to control yourself. Affirmations are nothing but promises you make to yourself to create the life you dreamt of living for yourself. So my favorite affirmation is I can achieve whatever I set my mind to. So this is my favorite positive mindset. And when it comes to money mindset, I even have an affirmation for that. That is, I love money, money loves me. It's that simple. Okay, so wondering what I achieved using these affirmations? I set up and run my second business successfully while I was only 20, and also I made my first million while I was 21. Interesting, right? It really is. Such is the power of positive mindset and affirmations. So, before you set any affirmation for yourself, there are 4 major conditions. Number 1, your affirmation should be present tense and in a positive way. Number 2, always read out your affirmation. Read them out loud and in a cheerful way. Number 3. Always make sure your affirmations are the last thing you see before you get to the bed and the first thing you see as soon as you wake up. And finally, make sure your affirmations are in line with your life goals. Okay, so if you're wondering how to set life goals and how to stay motivated about the same, check out my YouTube videos on vision board and 15 minutes goal setting in my channel. So you can find out my YouTube channel by searching for Saranya Narayanamurthy. So over the time of 15 minutes, you will be able to set out millions of goals under one condition, that you're not determined to take more than 15 seconds per goal. So this is the only thing. So just set down around 15 minutes for you to set up your career goal, professional goal, financial goal, family goal and relationship goals. Okay, now for example, let us come back to our affirmations. Now after you find out all these affirmations, let me give you an example of how these sound. So if your goal is to make 1 million by the end of 2022, then start by saying, I am a millionaire. I hustle hard and money flows to me. By this, you are achieving 3 things. Number 1, you are reminding yourself of your goal. Number 2, you are making sure you are visioning yourself achieving it. And finally, you are reminding yourself of your task to hustle harder in order to achieve your goal. So now, the last one. Just like how vibes transmit through air, water carries memories too. Interesting? Okay, so if you are offering someone water with so much of happiness in your heart, then the person drinking the water is bound to be happy for a while. Similarly, if you are offered water with a bit of anger, then the person drinking water might have that instinct to get angry in a while. But you know what the downfall is? We never know what the true intention of the person offering water to us is. So, to neutralize the effect and again to save yourself for any negative trauma, make sure you have added the ingredient that brings you happiness. So, before you drink any sip of water, say this mantra to yourself. This water is bringing me health, wealth and happiness. As simple as that. So, every time before you drink water, bless your water and then drink it. Tell to yourself, this water is bringing me health, wealth and happiness. Thereby, the water you drink remembers your words and it is bound to bring the same. So yeah, now if you think it is superstitious, then here I am dropping another big fact. Be it a superstition or a fact, don't you think it's a good value if you can say good things to yourself? At least you're giving yourself a chance to spread positive vibes. Okay, so would you follow these hacks? If you say yes, drop in and tell me and send me a DM and this will definitely bring me a smile. If you say no, again drop in and tell me why you won't do it and we can have a conversation. With this, I am signing off and until next time, stay happy, stay excited, stay hustling and keep listening to The Mind Business.